there guys, I'm back again, and today it is time to unbox the Styletone box. However, before we start this unboxing, I have some amazingly great news. I finally reached 500 subscribers, which means that I gave away the last giveaway. It is closed now. I already filmed the new giveaway. I'm actually in between editing that video and I'm gonna upload it. However, the winner did not yet send me an email with their address. Now, I want to be fair to everybody who wanted to win the giveaway, so I'm giving this particular person 2 weeks to respond. If this particular person does not respond within 2 weeks, I will be giving it away to somebody else because I need to be fair to my audience. With that being said, Evelien Christiaans, if I'm pronouncing that right, please send me a message because you are the winner. Congratulations! But you need to send me a message within 2 weeks. Else I am afraid I will have to give that giveaway away. Like I said, I'm just trying to be fair, so let's do it that way. Okay, so now that that is out of the way, oh, by the way, I'm opening the box. But by the way, I noticed that my subscriber count dropped from 500 to 499. Somehow I lost a subscriber. Why did you leave me? Why did you abandon me? No, anyway, the point is that it's okay. I'm still giving away that giveaway because, you know, I did reach 500 subscribers, so, you know, it's all good. Anyway, I'm trying. I'm very much struggling to get this box open, but it's a good thing it's sealed this way, like extra sealed, because if y'all remember, last month's box was actually opened, and thank God nothing was missing from that box, but the box itself was open, and I was kind of worried. Finally, okay. This is the inside. Ooh, it's very springy. I love the theme. Hopefully the camera will show that. I'm not really sure. And ooh, beautiful things inside. Sounds good. But this is the inside of this month's box. Okay, box is empty. So, oh, the first thing is underneath here because this is a little satchel. So the first thing is from Coco Star. It's a hand moisture pack. Okay, sounds pretty cool. Yeah, it's from Korea. So this is what that fella looks like. I know Korean beauty is like very much the trend these days. So let me grab my little booklet. And let us see what the price is. Come on. Yeah, okay, this is the first one. So, Coco Star hand mask costs €3.95. Okay, first item, good. Now, let's move on to the satchel. I will, however, say that every single box is pretty much like distributing a hell of a lot of like hand masks, like these little sheet glovey hand mask things. I've been seeing them a hell of a lot recently. For now, it's fine, but I will immediately say I do hope that this is not going to be a trend, like, for example, the Figs and Rouge stuff when we got it every single month. I really hope that that is not the case with the gloves, because I'm just noticing that we received a lot of these hand masky things, and I'm just afraid that it's going to be overkill soon. Okay, so I got something. Ooh, okay. I got something out of the little satchel from Peas Holiday Dreams eyeshadows. Whoa, they're big. I'm going to be honest, these are very, very big. So hopefully, hold on. Okay, they're good. So hopefully you guys are able to see that. I'm not really sure if the colors are going to pick up, but this one over here is like a champagne-y color. The one in the middle is a green, and then the one over here is a darker blue. This particular blue does not match my eye color, so, oh, hold on. You know, when I'm looking at it now, it looks like a gray instead of a blue, so it might just be a gray. I don't know. I will have to play around with this. How about, I don't know if you guys would like that, but how about if I do a get ready with me? I did a get ready with me, which was my last video, with the Carnaby palette, Carnaby, I don't know how to pronounce it. Sorry if you're from London, I'm butchering it. Sorry. Anyway, how about a get ready with me? I don't know. Let me know down below. Now let's grab the booklet again. And, oh, this one actually is number 2. Like, wow. It is the eyeshadow trio from Peas, still don't know how to pronounce this, is 18, whoa, 18 bucks. That's actually a lot of money for just 3 eyeshadows. I will say they're very big. Like, look, see? Like the pans, okay, let's compare it to my mouth because I have a big mouth, I'm gonna be honest. But they're pretty big. They're solid and they're pretty big. Very excited to see what it does. Okay, moving on to Quick Max Eyelash Growth Enhancer. Grow visibly longer, thicker eyelashes in as little as 7 days. Do we really believe that? Sounds a little bit too good to be true, but I am very excited to see what the product inside looks like. However, it is completely sealed, so I am afraid y'all are gonna have to give me a minute to get it out of the packaging. Okay, 5 hours later, we opened the box, and I actually did not rip this box. Like, I want a medal. Are you kidding me? Come on, get out of there. Is that all? I think it is. Oh. Okay, it's golden. It is golden. Look at how beautiful it is. It is golden. Okay, let's see what's inside. It's just like a primer. Whoa. Oh, I remember this. This we actually did receive before, and it was from Lash M, I believe that was the brand. And we did have something like this already. I didn't use it. I'm just going to be honest. I need to stop saying I'm just going to be honest, because I say that like every time, like, I really need to stop that. But anyway, let's see how much it costs in the booklet. Where are you? Come on, booklet, work with me here. Nope, it's not this one as well either. Okay, Quick Max, there we go. Lash serum is $14.50. Wow, that's actually a lot of money. I might want to try this one out and see the results within 7 days. Moving on to a little pot, which is very, very heavy, from Bang Beauty. Bam! Okay, so this is what that little boxy thing looks like. Okay, so it says over here, Glam Cream Color from Bang Beauty. This is what the little pot looks like. I'm assuming this is going to be like a cream eyeshadow. If that's the case, I'm going to pass. I am going to open it. If it's a cream shadow, of course I'm not going to touch it. Then I'm definitely going to give it away. For a lot of people that say, oh my god, you can't open it and give it away. Watch me. Okay, I'm not touching it. Like I said, I don't know if it's sealed actually. If it's sealed, then I'm going to leave the seal, but no, there's no seal. Okay, this is what that color looks like, and I was right. It is a creamy eyeshadow, and I'm not gonna use that. So we're gonna close this lid, and we're gonna put it back in the box, and I'm gonna give this fella away. Let's see where it is in the booklet. Where are you? It's right over here. Oh, and in the booklet, there's actually a pink one. I got like a bronzy brown tone one. It costs, from Bang Beauty, the Dolce Pink Cream. Well, I don't know about pink cream, but I didn't get pink. I got Glam. I got like a brown one. But it costs 22 euros, and you guys will be seeing this in a giveaway. All right, guys, last item in the box. This is from So Susan. It is the Dream Maker Light Shifting Highlighting Cream. Oh no. Damn it. Beautiful box. I will say that. Like, the box is freaking amazing. Very like shifty, very, I think Christine would approve this, you know, from Hollow. Christine, Simply Nailogical. I'm sure most of you follow her. I'm going to try not to rip the box because I already know I'm not going to use this product. I just want to show you guys what the product itself looks like. I'm not even going to open it because I do not, for the love of me, use highlighting creams, strobing creams, creamy stuff. Only creamy stuff I like is like liquid eyeliner, foundation, concealer, you know, stuff like that. That could be liquid, but like eyeshadow, no. Whoa. It is very, very beautiful. It is silver, and on the inside, it looks to be, yeah, it's got like this pearlescent shine in there. It looks very pretty, but I know I'm not gonna use it. So I'm gonna give this sucker away, and let's see how much this fella costs. It's number 3. Oh, I opened it like, there we go. So the So Susan Dream Maker Highlighting Cream costs 29 euros. What? Did I read that right? Yeah, 29 euros. Holy cow, that's almost 30 bucks for this small of a mini amount. You gotta be insane to pay that much money. Like, I'm sorry, but no offense to people who do pay that much money for these kind of products. You do you, honey, but I don't know. I wouldn't, I don't know. Okay guys, that was it for this month's box. What am I actually gonna use? Holy cow. Out of all of the products, the only thing I'm actually for sure I'm gonna use is the hand mask. The Bang Beauty, I'm gonna give away. The So Susan, damn it, I'm gonna give away. And I don't know whether or not I'm gonna use this. I did open it, so I'm not really sure if I can give it away because I did open it like completely. But then again, I also opened the Bang Beauty. I didn't touch it, so I don't know. I might try this fella out, or I'm gonna give it to a friend. I kind of feel like with these liquid stuff, like a lipstick, if I open it, I just kind of excuse me, I kind of feel like I can't give it away. But again, I opened the Bang Beauty. I don't know. The eyeshadow, if y'all want to see me do a get ready with me, I will. If not, honestly, I think I'm going to give those colors away because I have 1,000,001 colors like those already. Honestly, I'm not really completely into the color selection. These colors look extremely fall-like to me. For fall and winter, definitely not for spring and summer. I mean, the box is beautiful. The box is so vibrant, so fresh, so fruity, clearly. But the inside, I was expecting like pinks and like, I don't know, coral tone colors, like fun springtime, summertime colors, but they're boring. I'm just gonna be honest. If you guys like me to do a get ready with me to create some sort of look out of just this palette, let me know in the comment section down below. Anyway, that was it for this month's unboxing. Wow, looking back at all the items, I'm like for sure gonna use one item out of the 5. Are you kidding me? I don't want to hate on this box. I don't, because this is, and you know what? I'm gonna say this is a good box. Why? Very simple. The items that I'm not gonna use is me personally. Personally, I don't like creamy highlighting creams. I don't like creamy eyeshadow. So those two products are already a no for me. The hand mask is cool. The eyeshadow would be great if I don't own a lot of eyeshadows already. And honestly, a lot of high quality eyeshadows, high-end eyeshadows, I guess I should say. And I have 1,000,001 of them because I'm kind of a makeup hoarder, so yeah. So I'm not going to bash this box because it is a good variation box. I will say that. And once again, if you're not that big into makeup or you just don't have that big of a collection, then this is going to be amazing. It is just me personally that I'm like, I'm not going to use these items. So you make up your own mind, please. I'm not going to bash it this time because I do feel like it's a good variation of products. I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure to keep in mind that my channel is here. Subscribe because the giveaway is so close to being uploaded. I think I'm going to upload it next week. So I don't know. Make sure to keep an eye on my channel. I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!